Unlock the secrets of English. Sneak Peek Explained. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're diving into the popular phrase, sneak peek. You've likely heard it on social media, in advertising, or even in casual conversation. But what does it mean, and how can you use it? Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery. The phrase, sneak peek, refers to a special preview or an early viewing of something that is not yet available to the public. It's like a secret glimpse into what's coming up. Imagine looking through a keyhole to see a part of a room before the door is open to everyone. That's a sneak peek. The word, sneak, implies doing something on the sly or without being noticed, while peek means to quickly look at something. Combined, they describe the act of looking at something quickly and often secretly before it is officially revealed. You can use sneak peek in a sentence like, the director gave fans a sneak peek of the movie's new trailer on his Twitter account. It can also be a noun, as in, here's a sneak peek of our new product line. Sometimes, sneak peek is used in different contexts or slightly altered to fit the situation, like sneak preview or exclusive look. But the essence of getting an early, secret look remains the same. That's your sneak peek into Sneak Peek. Whether it's a new book, a movie, or a product, now you can talk about early glimpses with confidence. We hope this video has been illuminating and adds a new phrase to your English toolkit. Happy learning, and see you in our next English adventure.